Hello guys, how are you doing today? Today is Thursday, and we all know, guys, that it's Valentine's Day coming very, very soon. So, do you feel Valentine's Day? Do you choose perfumes depending on that? What is your mood during Valentine's Day? Do you guys buy a lot of presents for your partners on Valentine's Day? Do you spend a lot of money? Do you buy perfumes for your partners? My topic is not going to be about that. I'm not going to be offering there for you perfumes or anything, but I just simply want to talk to you my experience of how I was trying to improve the smell of this particular perfume, which was actually, I was trying to improve with this perfume. I haven't spoke about this perfume yet, guys, so we will speak about that. And also my scent of the day was this one. So, let's say, okay, so my scent of the day, guys, was this one. And while you is Badee Al Oud or Oud for Glory by Latafa. I show you Oud for Glory. Okay, so it's written there. Oud for Glory by Latafa or Badee Al Oud. So whichever name you write it, will be correct there, basically. It's by Latafa. So in comparison, let's say this perfume to this perfume, this one, it requires some kind of readjustment by maybe spraying some sweet perfume on top, which I did. And I will tell you my experience about that, guys. So this perfume is a quality perfume. When you will be wearing it, guys, you will have no regrets. You will feel that you are wearing perfume that is, as I said before, and I will always be saying, guys, it's a quality perfume made in such a beautiful way that you never smelled like that anything before. And the price was 29, whatever, 20, it could be 30 pounds, whatever, depending on where you buy, So it's really worth, guys, to get this perfume. If you haven't got it yet, consider it, giving it a go. Let's say if you got few Latafa perfumes or Oud Teef perfumes and you haven't got this one yet consider it. It's unisex, guys. Men are interested in this perfume a little bit more. Myself, I'm wearing this perfume, and every single time when I'm wearing it, I feel this perfume is really gives me some kind of power, because it's unusual. I think people, if they smell it on you, they would feel you are wearing some kind of very interesting perfume. The longevity is perfect, guys. I haven't needed yet to spray it on myself one more time. I was wearing it today, as I said before, guys, and I feel really it's there, guys. No need to respray it. So that's how powerful it is. Let's say if once I would run out of this perfume, I would actually consider repurchase it. That's how good it is, guys. If you are a man, buy it. If you are a lady, simply buy it, in order to experience something different. I show you. Badee Al Oud. Badee Al Oud. It seems like a perfume that would be from Cosmos, really super happy, super duper happy. As I said before, no need to think too much. Simply, you need to get it in order to experience this perfume. So, quality perfume I was wearing today, that's not a Valentine perfume. I feel like I'm not really wearing Valentine perfumes too much, although I did wear a Rosat Al Emarat, by Oud Teef yesterday, which is more on the sweeter side and more, type of better. So here we go now. So I bought this perfume because of the bottle, and this perfume has a rosy type of smell with oud, which actually before I described as if it would be slightly maybe, rotten pears mixed with oud, but that's a negative description. In the positive way, I would describe as, let's say, sour type of smell that comes maybe a little bit from rose, mixed with sheikh al sujuk. Slightly, if that would be sweeter, would be better, but it's not overly sweet, which makes it kind of, a little bit too sour. Let's say this is not similar to Dolce & Gabbana, the 3 by Dolce & Gabbana, number 3, that watermelon smell. So that one has some kind of sour smell, but that one is more pleasant. But this one has the oud in it, which kind of makes it a little bit, difficult. Little bit similar to sheikh al sujuk as well, but more sour. Maybe because of that rose, I don't know, guys. I'm trying very hard, guys, to like this perfume, and it's really possible, guys. You know how I achieved it, guys? You know, guys, how I achieved to like this perfume yesterday? I tell you. So I'm gonna tell you, guys. I layered that perfume, which the name of it is Teef Al Oud, by the way. Teef Al Oud. I show you the name. I show the name. Okay, so it's Teef Al Oud by Oud Zafran. So I, guys, layered that perfume with this one. Have you ever seen it before? It's Star by Mugler. And to be honest, I'm not a fan of Mugler. Like, no, like, guys, not at all. I'm not a fan of Mugler. I have Muse. I have like you know, none of them. Not a fan, but there are so many ladies, guys, that likes it. So I tried this one. It's sugary type of coconutty smell, which is actually very pleasant. It's very youthful, sweet. I think that sweetness that this perfume has, everybody would like it. To me, this perfume is slightly, maybe has some similarity to Mimosa Cloud by Zara, but I like that Mimosa Cloud maybe more than this one, you know. So what I wanted to tell you, guys, is that this, you know, Mugler, what's the name of this one? I forgot. Fruity Oriental. The name of it, guys, is Iced Star. Its description is as Fruity Oriental, you know. So it's totally different than the rest of the, you know, those angel perfume. Completely different. It's more useful. It's more for younger population. So what I did, guys, I mixed this with, let me see if I could just grab them both, guys, you know, together with this Teef Al Oud, you know, together, guys. And I was enjoying it. You know why, guys? I was enjoying it because this Eye Star made, you know, that Teef Al Oud smell. I wonder if I would put this phone, you know, if I would put it like this. Okay, so basically, so it made, guys, this Teef Al Oud to you know, it leveraged that sourness, guys. It completely leveraged, and it made it pleasant to wear. I think this perfume, our Power Teef Al Oud, and it's even better. It became everything more sweet, guys, and kind of lighter. Like vibration was lighter, you know, for me. And throughout the day, I was feeling very pleased by all of the experience. Thanks probably to this Iced Star by Mugler, you know, because if I would be wearing only this one, I would feel a bit, guys, like maybe too sour, you know, which is not great. I was actually thinking that this perfume is not lasting very long, but actually yesterday it lasted pretty well. Do you guys have this star? What type, if you do have a star, what type of star do you have? Because there are many stars by Mugler, especially that original. Everybody likes that original, you know. Myself, if I would need to choose Mugler perfume, maybe that would be actually that one. But I wouldn't even, you know, choose any of them anymore, I think, because I don't like them anymore. So, but while wearing this perfume, it's actually leveraged that Teef Al Oud, and I was able to like it, you know. Useful perfume. If you like sweet perfumes, guys, you should check it out, this one. Especially if you are keen on buying those, you know, those Armani perfumes and all of those, you know. So probably this one, you know, you will be keen on having it, you know. It's quite pleasant, to be honest. Kind of cheerful and jolly type of perfume, you know, that actually might be quite suitable to layer it as well, you know. And this one, guys, need some time to discover. Many people like this perfume. I wonder why, you know. I wonder why. Like, I am discovering this perfume right now. Really hard, I'm discovering. So, as I said before, I was enjoying, guys, to wear, you know, them together. I really like to have this bottle, this shape of the bottle, which is so unusual, guys, and makes it kind of pleasant even to have it on my shelf, you know. Makes me very type of pleasant to look at it. But I know that perfume is a bit, you know, kind of, I don't know, guys, something is a little bit, like, I do prefer other perfumes than this. But the price, by the way, was very cheap. It was half price, was only £7, like, you know, or something, because I found it half price. So that's the good point. So that was, guys, my situation of the day, you know. So I'm going to hold for you my perfumes. My perfumes are these perfumes, like, so that's my type of scent of the day. I was, you know, quality. I was wearing this quality perfume, have a look into it, and you will enjoy it if you are a man, if you are a lady, and maybe this Teef Al Oud, guys. Like, I don't know, you decide, guys. You basically do whatever you want to do, guys, in order to experience your own experience with perfume. Remember, if you get some kind of perfume that you perhaps not really into it, maybe you will find a way how to like it. I'm trying to like this perfume, I don't in particular like neither this perfume, neither this perfume, so I mixed them together, guys, and something good happens. I was feeling light. I was actually even feeling younger than what I am, to be honest, while wearing this perfume, just because it's so sweetly delicate, so maybe that's a good thing. Maybe sometimes perfumes makes you feel younger too than what you are. Think about this thought. What do you think about this thought? Can perfume make you feel younger? So I will leave you at that. I hope you to have like a beautiful Valentine's Day, which is on Monday, and I will be back to you super duper soon, and wish you to have a beautiful day. Like this video so we will meet each other again. Bye bye, guys. See you soon.